Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn everything about nouns, the building blocks of every sentence. By the end of this video, you will easily spot different type of nouns and use them correctly. Let's get started. There are many kinds of nouns. We will cover the main ones: common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable noun and uncountable noun, and compound noun. Common noun. A common noun names general people, places, or things, not a specific sentence. The girl reads a book. We will always write it in lowercase. Proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are capitalized. Example: Ria, New Delhi, Amazon, Mount Everest. Sentence: Ria lives in New Delhi. We will always write it in uppercase. Concrete noun. A concrete noun names something you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. Something physical. Example: apple, phone, music, car. Sentence: I put the phone on the table. Abstract noun. An abstract noun names an idea, quality, feeling, or state, something you cannot touch. Example: love, freedom, honesty, happiness. Sentence: freedom is very important to her. Collective noun. A collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things as one unit. Example: team, family, herd, flock, audience. Sentence: the team won the match. Countable noun. Countable nouns are items you can count. They have singular and plural forms. Huge numbers, a and many, few. Compound noun. A compound noun is made of two or more words joined together to make a single noun. Example: classroom, mother-in-law, bus stop. Sentence: the school bus arrives at 7:30. Possessive noun. A possessive noun shows ownership for singular nouns, adds for plural nouns. Ending is as add. Riyaj. Example: Riyaj pen, the boys room. Sentence: this is Riyaj pen. Singular plus s, plural ending plus s. Try these 5 quick MCQs. Pause the video, answer in the comments. Don't capitalize common nouns unless they start a sentence. Use much with uncountable and many with countable plural. Nouns name people, places, things, and ideas. Main types: common, proper, concrete, abstract, collective, uncountable, uncountable, compound, and possessive. Practice by spotting nouns in sentence every day. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe button for more grammar lessons. Download the worksheet, link in description, and try the exercise. Comment below one sentence using a compound noun. I will check and reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.